Hello, my friends. Good evening, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. Fred Olang. I'm so happy to connect with you today. Let me know if you can hear me, and then we proceed with our training on how to analyze the market and how to use TradingView. So if you can hear me properly, just comment in the chat box, and then we proceed. Okay. If you guys can hear me, just comment in the chat box, and then I say, Doctor, we can hear you, such that I can just go straight away on the matter. So if I'm being heard, kindly let me know. Hello, yes. Okay, Lillian says you can hear me. Wonderful. Okay, nice connecting with you this afternoon. I can see our leader, Mr. Osama, is here. Madam Lillian is here. Sir Nicholas is here. Madam Daisy is here. Wow, it's a wonderful day and a wonderful session, I believe. Mr. Osama, kindly make me host such that we can what? We can proceed from where we ended the other time. If you're following us from YouTube, you're most welcome. Make sure you follow these trainings from the very first one to this one we are doing today, such that you can be updated. Mr. Kasozi Moses, you're welcome. We are happy to have you this afternoon. It's Mr. Osama. Let me tell him to make me a host so that I can share my screen, and then we proceed with the learning. Text him, kindly make me a host. Yeah. So at this point, I'm sure everyone has TradingView installed in their phones. At this point, let me show you have made your watch list. At this point, I'm sure you know how to what? At least you have an overview of what the market is meaning by a red candle, by a green candle. At least you know those. So let me know if we are really at par, that you have your account registered on TradingView. You have a registered account. Not only that, you have you have set your watch list. Okay. Not only that, you know the meaning of those words, the few words. Many the candles, at least you know when I say bullish candle, you know this is how it looks like. When I say a bearish candle, or what red means, what green means, you get it. So let me know, text in the chat box, and you tell me either you know that or you don't know that. You get it? When you I'm waiting for your response. Ladies and gentlemen, are we at the same point? You have your TradingView installed. You have put your watch list. and then you know what red, green means. At least you have an introduction of that language of TradingView. Okay. Okay, so it's like I'm not getting any response. Either people are not hearing me or they don't know what I'm meaning. So what that is I'm meaning is that by at the end at this point you have your TradingView set like this. One, you open your account on TradingView in your name. You get it like mine is Fred and those digits. Two, you have made your watch list. BTC, like this is my watch list as of now. You get it? Not only that, when I click at let's say Bitcoin and I'm seeing its chart, the chart of Bitcoin, at least but by this training, I know what this by this training, I know what this candle is meaning. When I see red, I know what it means. When I see green, I know what it means. When I see red, I know what it means. Are we all at par? That's what I'm asking. Do we all have that, such that I can continue from there? Or you don't know what this means, such that I can maybe make a recap. That's what I'm meaning. So no response, Okay. Maybe all of us, we are new here. So guys, is this our first time of attending these trainings of Tuesday? We are all new. It's a very brand new class, right? That no one has been following. Okay, Lillian is saying I have a brief background on that, but we can recap. Okay. Lillian, thank you for the feedback. Any other person? Any other person? Is it only Lillian who has been following us? Or even other people have been following? Okay, guys, I think we can continue. Okay, now, as Lillian has asked, that we can make a small recap. Okay, so guys, about TradingView, okay, those who have not been following, make sure you go to what? You go to our YouTube channel and follow those previous trainings that I made, such that it can help you understand. You get it? But if you go back and follow that training, you realize that I think I should share my screen again. You realize that this language is not a hard language. Okay, it is a simple language of showing us who is in control over the market. If you see a red candle, it means that the sellers are overpowering the buyers, and the buyers are overpowering the sellers. In case the market, if we see a green candle, it means the buyers the buyers are overpowering the what? The sellers. You get it? So at the end of the day, it can be very easy for you to know when to tell your robot to enter the market and when to tell your robot to not to enter the market. So by the end of this training, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you will be in position to recognize that, wow, this is a good time to enter, and wow, this is a good time to what? To sell. And it also allocate those percentages. You get it? So today we are going to look at the other time we looked at the trends. I'm sure you can now know that this is an up trend, this is a downward trend. Then as a recap, as we are looking on the trends, we are going to start today. We are going to look at how to draw those trend lines, and such that you know if this market breaks the trend, and it means that trend is what? Is reversing. Okay. It's okay. Let me share my screen and then we proceed. Okay. I'm sharing my screen. This is it. So let me. I'm going to change Bitcoin and I look at a 1 week chart. I'm going to look at 1 week chart, such that it can be easy for us. Now have a look at Bitcoin. If you can see what you're going to do, this specific training, I want us to what? To all participate. Okay, I want us to all participate. So as long as you're not in a noisy place, please feel free to unmute your microphone, such that when I ask, you just tell me. You get it? In this space, because I want to confirm that you guys are following. In this way, I've put my blue circle. Okay, which trend is that? If you look at my blue circle and tell me which trend was there. Is it a downward trend? Is it an upward trend? Or it is a ranging market?
A downward.
So that was a downward trend. Wow, thank you so much. Then if you look at this, which trend is that?
Upward.
That was an upward trend. Wow, wonderful. That means you've been following, which is okay. I like people who follow, and then we are always at the same at the same pace. Wonderful. Now I want us to observe one thing. Okay. In technical analysis, there's what you call trend line. Fred, how do you go to trend line? How do I know that why I do trend line? So you can either use this. I'm using this pencil. Okay. When you go to your trading view, see this pencil. Okay. When you tap that pencil, you tap it like that. When you tap it like that, you will see different things. Like you see, this is trend line. You see, this is arrow. This is extended line. So we are going to use more of this horizontal line, horizontally. You see very many things. As in, you can add all these things on your chart. Are you getting me? You can add all these things on your chart. There is also this one. We are going to use it so much. There is price range. Price range. This one. We are also going to use it. So what you do, okay? We are, for now, like I told you, we are going to what? To use trend line. Like you see, this pencil. Are you seeing this pencil? Okay, that's what I'm going to tap on, and then I look for trend line. I think the word trend line is this one. So what I always prefer is I long press on it, it will bring add to favorite. When it brings add favorite, I click on add favorite. Now it will add it just near, such that when I just tap there, the word trend line will be very near on favorite, such that I don't have to look for it. You get it? Then once I can see it there, like you can see it here. Like you can see it here. I tap on it. When you tap on it, it activates it. Are you seeing this line? Are you seeing that blue? Okay. I can move it anywhere I want. So what I do, I put it at the extreme. Like I want to see this trend. I want to follow this trend. I can put it at the extreme. I think like that. Then you just have to hold at the end and move. I think and move. So that was a trend line. That was a trend line, as in every time. Because if we are in a downtrend, every time we go back to that trend line, we are pushed back. We continue falling. Every time we try to go back, we are pushed down. We continue going down. You get it? So when do I know that surely the market is changing? The market has changed. When we close them, or like this, I'm looking at a weekly chart. When we close above, when we close above that trend line, immediately the market starts what? Going up. You get it? Let me say it again. The market was falling. We were in a downtrend. Every time we try to come back, like this, okay? This time we try to come back like this. We try to come back and meet the trend line. We are pushed down. Even here, when we try to come back, let me just do it again and do just one step. At this point, when we try to come back, we're pushed down. But later, when we closed, I think this candle, a week beyond that trend line, the market started going up, as in the trend changed. So in trading, okay, the trend is your friend. As long as you draw your trend line and you realize that the trend is still going up, okay, you realize that the trend is on, it's going down. Because for us, we are spot trader. We trade when we are looking for buying opportunities. We trade after confirming that the trend is going up. So if the trend is going down, we avoid the market until we get a confirmation. The best way to enter the market is to confirm that the trend has been going down, but it has reversed. How do I confirm that it has reversed? By getting our green candle closing beyond, okay, our trend line. I'm going to show it to you again, okay? Okay. Let me first remove this, and then I make another line. I make another line. Like you see, the trend changed, and we are now in an uptrend. I click on then I add a drawing, click on my trend line, I think. I look like this, So what you have to do is simple. Just get two or three lows, like that. That means that the trend is going up, and for sure Bitcoin is in uptrending. So like if you draw this line and you're following Bitcoin is going up. As long as Bitcoin does not go below this line, it means we are still going up. You get it? But time to come in future, Bitcoin will come and close below this line. That means it will have changed the trend. It will start going what? It will start going down. So as long as you're seeing Bitcoin is trading above that line, just know yourself, the trend is still on. You can enter the market. You get it? So the trend is your friend. Make sure you respect it. Okay, let me give you another scenario. Another scenario here. Another scenario here. Another scenario here. Are you seeing? I bring my trend line. I put it here. So we were seriously going above. Are you seeing this trend line? That every time and during this time we were going up. So I think we were going up. Every time we could come and approach this trend line, we were pushed up again. But a day we closed, we got a candle, not a day, but a week. I think this, when we got a candle below the trend line, it showed us that we were what? The trend line had changed. The trend had changed. So that's why you saw very many weeks of us trading below the what? I think this week we fell below, even this week. But let alone we came up. Let me see. Actually, because we had lost the trend, I think when we tried going up again, we were pushed down. Okay, so that's why we fell down. We had very many weeks of falling what? Of falling down. Okay, so if you can know how to draw the trend lines, you're good to go. Okay, but then how do I draw those ones that are in ranging? Like you can see at this point, the market was ranging this point. So how do you draw? How do you demarcate? What you do, click on the plus signs, drawing again, you look for horizontal line. Like I said, long press on it, add it to favorite. Okay. For a ranging market, just identify those points where the market is ranging. I think at that point, then another point is here. If you can identify 2 points where, like the market spent very many weeks in this space. Every time we could go up, we were pushed down, but we could not go beyond that point. Every time, so the market was ranging around there until it broke through. This candle shows it broke through the range. That's why it's now going up. You get it? So on very many cases, depending on the time frame on which you're watching your charts, you identify ranging markets, you identify trending markets, ranging markets. So the best way to first of all, if you want to be a good trader, is to identify the trend. This coin, what is it doing? Because the trend will show you, will tell you a lot of things. Let me use another example. Let me see if I can watch which other coin. Let me see what's happening with SHIB. SHIB, SHIB, I want to see its chart. SHIB. I want to see the chart of SHIB. Okay. This is the chart of SHIB. Who can tell me This is a 1 week chart. What is SHIB doing? If you look at this chart, is it an uptrend, downtrend, or ranging market?
Ranging market.
SHIB is still ranging. So you can clearly draw a line like here. Like every time we come at this point, we are pushed back. But every time SHIB comes around here, it is pushed back. So SHIB is around there ranging. Are you getting me? So now the best way to trade, I want to give you a trick. The best way to trade the ranging market, like what SHIB is doing, for you as a spot trader, remember our target is to buy low and we sell at a higher price. So if you realize that a coin like this is ranging, okay, what you do, just keep entering, okay, tell the robot to buy every time the price reaches what? Every time the price reaches the range low. We'll call this the range low, and then this is the range high. You get it? The lowest price in the range and the what? The highest price in the range. So for this kind of market, enter at the range low and exit at the range high, depending on the time frame that you're trading. Like for me, for this example, we are looking at a 1 week chart. So if someone is trading SHIB like this, they will be entering here at this price and exiting around this price. Let us see which percentage you'll be getting. Now, to identify how much percentage you'll be earning, okay, you use another drawing, okay. I told you, go to a pencil and then look for those drawings. I told you there is what you call down here, there is what you call price range. Price range. I think this price range. So the things we should try them. Actually, this business is you learn by doing. You can't just watch Dr. Fred doing things and you think that you know them. So whatever we do, please practice. So long press and add to your favorite such that it's there. Then I click on it once to activate it. Then I come to my chart. So if every time I enter here, the range low, and then you move up and you move up, as you're approaching the range high, you realize that every person who is trading like this is making 60%. You enter the range low and you go to a range high, you have made your 60%. Another opportunity was here. So you could wait for SHIB to come below here, and then you move up, approaching the range high, another 60%. You get it? So as of now, it already hit the range high. There are higher chances that it's going to come back at the range low. You get it? And then when it comes back at the range low, you buy. Then you wait and go with it up. I see another 60%, like that, until SHIB breaks this range. It can either break below or it can break what? Above. You get it? Let me see possible scenario. Let's see if I can draw it for you with what? With this. SHIB might to change this trend. SHIB will go up here, go up, try to come back, and it's pushed up, and then it will what? It will continue going up. That is the first scenario. SHIB will go like that. Okay, that is scenario one. You get it? Another scenario, SHIB might come. Okay, SHIB might come and do this. Let me show you. Where did I get? SHIB might come and do this and do this. It can come here. I want to change this color to red. Let me see where I can change from. Okay, I think like that. It can come and pass through like this. Whoosh, falls. Tries to come back here, is rejected, and then it continues falling. Those are the two scenarios. You get it? Can either go up and break through the range low. Now, every time it breaks through, okay? Let me just give you an example.
Onayigiriza simutegeera bulungi.
Like I was saying, it went, broke through, broke through, went through, and then it broke through the range. And then when it came back to retest, okay, when it came back to retest, I think it failed. It went through and then continued falling to the range low. When it went back, now it always retest this range, okay? So this training, I've showed you how to do trend lines. I've also showed you how to put what? To put those drawings to draw the horizontal line. Then not only that, I've also showed you how to trade in a ranging market. The ranging market, just enter the market when the prices, when the market has hit the range low, and then put your target at the range high. You get it? Let me see if we can go to a 1 hour. Okay, let's see if we can go to. Let me see if we can go to a 1 hour time frame, such that you can also learn from here. Identify. First of all, we said that one is now. First of all, we said we identify the trend. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you look at this market, what is it doing as of now at a 1 hour time frame? What is it doing? Is it trending up? It's what?
Up.
It's an uptrend, eh? Okay. How do I know? I just bring my range and I see my trend line. If I can get 2 points, I can get 2 points like this. I think that is my. Can even draw like that. This coin is an uptrend. Then can even make another one on top of these other ones. Okay, like that. Can even draw to what? To trend line. Let me hope, ladies and gentlemen, you're following. So what I want to show you, how do I trade in this kind? You get it? You realize? Is making noise. I don't know. Let us be in class. We're just remaining with a few minutes and we close off. So make sure what?
We are only 1, 2, 3. We are 3 people in class.
It is okay. And if we are 1, as long as we are following, because if just 3 of us can learn, it means we can teach others in our group. Okay. So now the best way to trade this kind of market, okay, is simple. To wait until the market comes back on our trend line. You get it? So someone who saw the market do it, coming back on this. Every time the market comes back on this line, it will be pushed up again. So if you're trading this coin, and the best way you would wait, like now it's on the upper range line. So it's more likely going to come back around here. Are you getting me? So if it reverses there, if this coin does this, and come. Let me draw for you. If this coin does this, it can do this, then this, then reverse to this line, and then it will be, of course, pushed. In case this trend is still on, it will be pushed up. It will be rejected on that line. I'll be showing you how do I know that it has been rejected. So you would make a trade, okay, a trade from there, and then targeting this line. I see. So at that point, you would tell your robot to pick a 2%. But how do I know that it's a 2%? You just watch this. This percentage. Are you seeing the percentage? 2.4. So you tell your robot, please enter at this price and then take a 2%. That's how we give you signals. You get it? You tell the robot, this is a buying price. Yes, this is a buying price. Like for this example, if we are entering from here, 5 point, that will be buying price will be like 5.8. Then which percentage? You 2.4. So you wait for some few hours, like something like 5 to 6 hours. It would have done that, and then you enter. You get it? As long as you identify a trend line, just make sure you wait until that coin reverses that trend line. When the coin reverses that trend line, please tell the robot to buy and take profit. Is the next day. The next time it will reverse that trend line, the upper trend line. But how do I know that the price has been rejected? Okay, how do I know that the price has been rejected? Okay. Now, are you seeing? You have a question? Someone having a question? No question. Okay. Now, are you seeing? The market. I'm looking at this. Let's show you. I'm looking at this scenario. So the coin, first of all, was rejected from the what? From the upper trend line. I saying it was rejected. When it was rejected, it had to revisit. As when it revisited the lower line, there was a green candle. Okay, that candle is not yet showing us much about what's going to happen, but there is another big green candle. That big green candle shows that at this point, the sellers are very strong. You get it? You can't shake them. Okay? That's it. Outpowered all these green, red candles. We call it engulfing. It engulfed them. It showed them that it's very powerful. So at that point, after you seeing that, in case you are watching that coins on your watch list, you would just, this was a very good confirmation. You just enter the market, targeting the next upper trend line. I think 2%. You do enter and then targeting 2%. So like you say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11. In 11 hours, your robot would have sold and would have come out of the market, and you would have enjoyed your what? Your 2%. So how do I tell the robot? In case now, okay, Let us assume I was watching this when this happened. You get it? I was watching this when this happened, and then what would I tell my robot? I would go to Royal Queue because I want to make this trade. I want to make this trade like this from here up to here, 2%. I would tell my robot that, hey robot, we are trading a coin in Binance, and that coin is called, you go to strategy, Martingale bot, create your own. I think you know all this, eh? So you know how to order the robot. Martingale bot. I want to create my own. So I look for the coin called Ant. So I'll go to trade settings. Depending on your trade settings, very many people, they have their own what? Their own trade settings. So you would tell trade settings, manually create the. First, we prefer manually creating the settings. So choose my strategy setting. You go to strategy setting. So you choose, depending what you set with your upline, and then you come and tell the robot that maybe your first buying amount is 12, margin calls is that, okay? So where we put whole position take profit, like what we measured, it was 2. So you put 2.04, according to what you have measured there. Then margin configuration, all that, you leave it, because depending on what you have said. Then you say save. In case you want to preset, want to first buying price, said it was first buying price. Sometimes we tell you buy current price, sometimes we tell you preset. I think 5.766. So you tell your robot 5.766. 5.766. So you confirm. And then after confirming, you place the start. And then the robot will be there on standby, just waiting for that price to hit that your preset price, and then it will execute that trade. So now, according to what you're seeing, ladies and gentlemen, what do you expect next? What do you expect that this coin is going to do? What do you expect to move up? What do you expect? Are we following, guys? Do you expect that this coin is going to go up, or it's going to first of all come down?
It is going to come down.
It will come down. To which level? Yes, because Bitcoin is trading in a clear trend line. You get it? It has already visited the upper line. So there are higher chances that for it to continue going up, it will first of all come down, and it hits this line. Are you seeing it? Then it will continue For a person who's trading using this technique, will just wait coin to come back and meet this trend line so that it can show clearly that it has been rejected, that as it's going up the what? The trend line. I get this, the first way, trading. Then let me make another, let us open another chart. What's happening with Acro, ladies and gentlemen? Is it ranging? Uptrending? Like if we look at this 1 hour chart with Acro, what's happening?
It's ranging.
Ranging.
It is what? It is ranging. So you bring your horizontal line, put them at the top of the range. You get it? Then bring another horizontal line, put them at the bottom of the range. So people who are making money in Acro as of now, they just wait until it visits the what? The lower range. Then let's see. I see 2.7. Another opportunity was here. And they saw that it moved up. They made around 2.8. So another, if you really want to make money from Acro, now that it's approaching the upper range, so you just have to make a trade and then exit at the upper range. You can keep earning your 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, like that. The trend, it is very easy for you. Now, for us who are trading sports, okay? If you realize that the trend is in what? Is in downward trend, please don't trade because you overstay in a what? In a floating loss. You get it? But if you realize that the market is either ranging, wait for it to what? To visit the lower range. In case the market is trending, wait, draw your lines clearly and wait until that market, wait until that market visit the what? The range line, the lower range line, the lower trend line, trend line. And then you execute a trade coming out on the upper what? Upper trend line. Are you getting me? So have you now guys learned how you can now make money from this Acro thing? Yeah? As of now, okay? Now tell me a coin and I add it on my watch list. Which coin do you want us to look at? I can use my 2 minutes and then we finish this up. Which coin do you want us to watch us together? Which coin? Tell me any coin that you want us to look at.
WLD.
W?
LD.
That is World Coin. WLD. What? That's World Coin, right? USDT. Binance. So I've added it on my watch list. Let me go to chart and I look at it. WLD. Watch at the time frame 1 hour. Okay, let us hit from 1 week. Now, seeing longer, you get it, but of course you cannot. For us, we are day traders. You want to enter a trade and come out of that trade in less than 6 hours or maximum 24 hours or 12 hours. So you can't make trades depending on just one 1 week is a long time frame for us to wait. Not so. So you can open, like what I do, if I look at 1 week time frame, surely it cannot tell us much because this is a new coin. Then if I look at 1 day, I look at the 1 day chart, 1 day chart, 1 day chart. 1 day chart will show you that at this point, this coin was going up. I see. This coin was going up, but later alone, it lost the trend line. Are you getting me? It closed below that trend line at 1 day. So it means that it's now going down. If I can clearly draw a trend line, I think from that point, it started going what? It started going down. That's generally in 1 day chart. So if I go to a 4 hours chart, I can see what's happening. At 4 hours, what are we seeing as a general picture? What are we seeing as a general picture? Are you guys following? If I can draw like this. Even at 4 hours, it is showing that it's what? It is going down. Okay. Going down. So at this point, if you realize that the coin is going down, please first of all, avoid entering it until you confirm that, like, if we get a 1 hour close, 4 hours close beyond this line, are you seeing? Beyond our line, and then we get a stronger candle showing us that we are going up, then you can enter. If you get a longer one, like now you see it is going, it went and made this trend line, then it was rejected. I think this rejection, we got a very strong red candle showing that we're going down. That's why it continued going down. Then let alone, are you seeing this showing up, visiting the trend line again? But this carried one shows an indecisiveness. But if we can get a very strong green candle, showing this going up like that, that means the coin would have decided to go out. Can even retest this, and then another strong candle going up. So then at that point, if you realize that the trend has now changed, that's when you can what? Enter again. But as long as we are still in a downtrend, don't oppose the trend. You get it? In trading, the trend is your friend. As long as the coin is in a downtrend, okay, avoid it. So I think if you have any other question, I can attend to them. But in case there are no questions, I just want to thank you and say, guys, you have done a very great job. Our friend is telling us just use 1 minute to look at Beck USDT, ASDT, Binance. Beck USDT Binance. I go to my charts. So I'm sure at least you know what I'm doing. You have worked on your chart list, and then Beck on a 4 hours time frame. What is happening? Who can tell us what's happening with Beck? Downtrend, uptrend, or ranging? What's happening?
Ranging.
So Beck is ranging between this point, every time it comes, retest this. Now at some point it broke through the range, but later on it was reclaimed. Then it's also ranging between that and around here. Around here. So it can give you opportunities of entering in this line, targeting this line. This is a 4 hours time frame. Wow. Let us look at it in 1 hour time frame, and we see also they can give you good opportunities. And so what's happening at 1 hour? Why is my chart taking long to change? It's loading. So I'm so glad that now where we have reached and the ranging market and ranging. So what's happening with Beck? Money at 1 hour chart. When you look at this, what comes to your mind? What is Beck doing? Yeah, it's upward trending at 1 hour. So just draw your line like this. Matching 2 points. Are you seeing it? Matching 2 points like that. And duplicate this. Just click on clone. If you clone, another will show up on top like that. So just be waiting, and then like someone who waited here and saw that made this move. Wow, it was nice, 12%. You wait again, and you reach the what? The lower line. Now, are you seeing at this point, when it came back, when it came back on the lower range, it lost. You get it? It started trending below, but on revisiting, it passed through. You get it? All the confidence to enter, could enter and target. If you are targeting the upper line, okay, let's say you're not interested in this. Let's say, would even make a 7% in half from here on this candle. On this candle, that confirms. You would have, and then this is 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In 10 hours, you would have made the 7%. You get it, So trading is as simple as that. Just identify the trend and you know what to do. You get it? Don't buy. Our goal is to buy low and we sell high. So every time you see the coin has gone low, you buy. Every time you see it has gone up, you sell. So Beck is still a good coin to trade. So someone who would love to trade the Beck, okay, Just to draw your trend line below, like how I had drawn. Are you getting me? Like how I had drawn? Like this. Wait for it. Let me clone this. Clone. Wait for it to reverse like where it is right now. If we can get a very 1 hour close. Actually, this is a good opportunity. You can enter the market and take up like 4%. 4%. So this is a good opportunity. You can enter and make a 4% out of bank. Might take like 12 hours or 4 hours, but to make that move. You get it? So, like now, I can, like this, you can give this as a signal in the group. So you tell them, buy current price, buy back, buy current price, and enter, take 4%. You get it? So, after a few hours, it might be 4, 5, or 6. Actually, someone can enter this trade right now, and you tell us the outcomes. You get it afterwards. But it's a good opportunity as of now, where Beck is. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for listening to me. Let me wish you a good evening, and we shall always learn from each other.